Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can deploy a project on Netlify from GitHub. It's quite easy. Open netlify.com and just click on sign up. Select sign up with GitHub. If you already have logged in, it should come up with your account. So just click on authorize Netlify. Now they'll ask you for the first name and last name. Then they'll ask you how are you planning to use Netlify. I'll select personal, scroll, then they'll ask you for more things like what kind of project do you want to build first. I'll just select web app. Now if you scroll, just select your role. I'll select this and just name your team. So I'll just type test, click on continue to deploy, and we're gonna select GitHub from here. Again we need to click on authorize Netlify. Next, here we need to scroll. If you look at here, there are two options. Either you can select all repositories or you can select specific ones. So I want to select specific one. I'll just go with this one. From this drop down, they'll allow you to choose the one. I'll just select this one. Now scroll and click on install. Now they want us to verify via email, so click on verify via email. They'll send you verification code, so which we need to enter here. Once you enter the code, just click on verify. Now they'll redirect you to Netlify. So here just choose your project and click on deploy. And as you can see here, the project is deployed. Now if you want to set a custom domain for that, you can do that from here. And similarly, you can just secure your project with HTTPS. But at this point, the project has been successfully deployed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.